Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome cake. It's delicious, amazing, and very beautiful and easy to make. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to grate 1 carrot or 250 grams. Then let's cut half an apple and peel it and take out the seeds, and let's grate it too. Now we'll need to cut 60 grams of nuts. I'm using walnuts, but you can use any nuts you like. In a bowl, add 260 grams of flour, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of soda, a little bit of 1 spoon of canela, and let's mix it all together. In another bowl, add 3 eggs, and let's mix it with a mixer. Keep adding 150 grams of sugar in small portions. Now let's add 120 milliliters of oil. Let's keep mixing and add the grated carrots and apples, and let's mix it all together. Now let's add the flour mixture that we did before. Then add the walnuts and mix it again. Now let's put it in a baking pan with some baking paper. Use a spoon to spread it out and send it to the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes. When it's all done, use a knife to separate it. And flip over and take out the baking paper, and let's level the cake. And cut it into 2 pieces. Let's prepare the cream. In a bowl, add 400 milliliters of cream, and also let's add 250 grams of cottage cheese and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Let's mix it all together. Until it has this consistency. It's airy and fluffy. Let's prepare or build the cake. I'm using some plastic so the cake holds up. Let's add the cream and spread it around and add the cake. Let's send it to the fridge and let's prepare the pudding. In a pan, add 100 milliliters of juice of carrots, 30 grams of flour, 20 grams of corn flour, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let's mix it all together and heat it up. Until it's boiling, and then let it boil for 1 minute. In the hot pudding, add 100 grams of butter and keep mixing. Don't let it rest or cool down. Let's put it on top of the cake and spread it around. Now let it sit in the fridge for about 4 hours. When it's all ready, let's plate this amazing cake. Let's cut it into portions and decorate it with some nuts. And it's all ready. Try this awesome cake. It's delicious and very easy to make. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. See more of my videos. Thank you for watching.